Hello YouTube world. First of all, we are sorry that we didn't make a video from so long time ago, but we have been really busy. So that's a brand new video for you guys, and you're gonna see what new we have for you. Hello Lady Gaga. Okay, so that's kinda short video for today, but it's pretty special. My friend over here, she's gonna say the alphabet while she's burping. Are you ready to do this for you too?
Yes.
So, let's start.
A, B, C, D.
Okay. F, G, H.
G, H.
Can you tell me after because I don't know my alphabet in English.
Okay, is it okay for you guys that she can do it in French?
I'm gonna do my alphabet in French because I don't know in English and I'm always fucked up.
Okay.
Like,
That's
anyway.
okay, you can do it in French and still alphabet.
Okay. Wait.
B, C, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Yeah!
G, I, F, D, E, B, W, X, Y, Z.
Whoa!
Sorry.
So that was it. Oh my god, still have gas.
Yes.
Okay, so she wanted to tell you guys, do you like her new hair?
Oh yeah. I changed my style a little bit.
It's kinda orange.
I'm not
sexy hair.
I'm not blonde anymore. I'm red now.
Yeah, orange red.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for watching this video. Can you give us our kiss? Sexy. Bye bye.